Yeah, that's our ginormous pool.
That isn't. Plus we
said that.
Guys, I live on this mountain. Mia, move your head.
Naya, move.
Sophie, stop it.
Move your head a little back. Naya, I cannot.
Yo, I can't make a video.
Stop hitting me.
Oh yeah, here? Yes, this is good.
Stop, Sophie.
Guys, I live in this village. It's called Farhata.
No, Farhata.
Farhata. It's called Farhata or Farhata. They are the same.
Wait.
And look at the view. Da-dee-da-dee-da. I literally live up this mountain, bro. This is a mountain. This is a mountain, okay, guys? It's a mountain. And I live on this mountain. Please check out my other videos like
Naya,
this.
mountains. It's not just one mountain.
I live on these mountains.
Look at the tire. See?
Oh my god.
Tick, 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 tick.
There's a
Truck is
broken
dancing.
tire on a car. I just saw, but I can't film now because I'm filming something else. Sorry. John, you promised me that we'll swim in the big pool.
Only if it's cold.
Only if it's warm. This whole afternoon we've been gone. It has to be good. It has to. If it's still cold, I'm so mad. It's so nice, literally.
And the one in Greece is not really bad in the way in Lebanon. The guest of the year.
This place is literally so nice. My parents traveled for their anniversary somewhere to like a country, different country for till next Wednesday. It's like they traveled a few days ago and they're coming back next week.
More than this
And
one.
I really miss them, and we went on a trip. And my dad's friend is taking us to like places because we're gonna get bored. And I live on these mountains. As you see, there are many mountains.
Поехали на острова греческие. Сама Греция.
Please, my mom and dad, if you're watching this, please give a thumbs up to me, my friend, and my other friend. Please give a thumbs up to Liam Yamaha, Selena Kal, and Naya Sawaya, me. And please subscribe to all of those channels and hit the notifications bell and share this if you can with all of my friends. In Lebanon.
Yeah.
Don't say that.
Bad people.
Here in Lebanon, there's very beautiful nature, but some people here are bad.
They don't love each other.
And people here make war. They don't love each other. Sometimes.
They make war. They don't love each other much.
Hey, did you copy my mind? Did you copy me?
Yes.
Teta, can we say something?
Она говорит, что может ли она сказать что-то.
Конечно.
In Lebanon here, there's beautiful nature, very beautiful nature. Bad people, they don't love each other much. And is war and roads break and stuff like that. Here in Lebanon, stuff are not so good. But in other countries, stuff are very beautiful, especially Cyprus.
Ливан, они не любят друг друга, и войны и группированные подобные вещи здесь, в Ливане.
And I know Cyprus is not the best country.
It is the best country. Stuff are cheap there, and they're good people.
Lebanon is more beautiful than Cyprus.
In Cyprus, it's good. In Lebanon, it's beautiful.
Что?
We arrived home now. Bye, guys. Hope to see you soon. Please watch my other channels. Bye. Hope to see you soon. I will show you around my nature. The second we arrive home, I'll have to finish my channel. Bye, guys. Hope to see you soon. Look, these are all my flowers, my beautiful flowers.
Okay, you
See, this is my village wall right here. Bye, guys. Hope to see you soon.
very nice driving. Thank you.
Thank you.
Habibi.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you, Hassan.